Well, you guys know I love good wall art. Check out this here in Selma, North Carolina. This was done, I guess, by Lacey because she's at Lacey Crime Art, and it was back in September of 2020. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and it's train time while I'm in Selma, North Carolina, waiting on Amtrak's 80 Carolinian Piedmont. The funny thing is, this engine's the same number as I saw yesterday, engine 60 I did in Petersburg, Virginia. Let's check it out. Check out the information on this old train station. It's the Michener train station. Was built back in 1855. It's believed to be the oldest surviving train station in North Carolina. So you guys can pause the video and read all about it. This property is listed in the National Register of Historic Places of the United States Department of the Interior. 1923 Atlantic Coastline Southern Railway's Selma Union Station, restored back in 2002. Take a look at this old building here that's been refurbished, and we're going to take a look inside. Go inside the waiting room. That's a good sized waiting room. Got a little historical stuff in here too. Telegraph with form and chipper book. An Underwood number 5 typewriter, dates back from 1929. A picture of Lady Bird Johnson on the Whistle Stop tour who came through here. Atlantic Coast Rail Line R1 type steam locomotive, 1809. Atlantic Coastline K9 type steam locomotive, 210. Selma Union Station daily Amtrak service. Oh, I hear a train coming. We gotta go. Here at the Double Diamond, and we have a Norfolk Southern coming. Well, I had to rush out of the station because I heard the Norfolk Southern manifest train coming. That was pretty cool. It was a good long train. And we caught the 80 Carolinian Piedmont train also. So I think that's going to do it here from Selma, North Carolina. And on that note, travelers saying, see you by the rails.